Wirsh single-serve coffee maker, 2-in-1 coffee machine compatible with single-serve K-cup pot and ground coffee, compact coffee maker with 30 ounces detachable reservoir 5 brew size and adjustable drip tray. 2-in-1 coffee maker to customize your coffee. Brew with a single-serve K-cup pot or ground coffee. 2 button options allow you to easily choose 2 ways of brewing coffee. The Wirsh single-serve coffee maker includes a reusable ground coffee filter and compatible capsule holder, so everyone can have the kind of cup of coffee they love every day. Multiple brew sizes and fast brewing. There are 5 brew sizes: 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 10 ounces, 12 ounces, 14 ounces, allowing you to control the amount of coffee brewed as needed to save the ground. Powerful 1000-watt instant heating system. Let water is heated to perfect temperature in seconds. Just enjoy your great tasting coffee in 2 minutes. Adjustable drip tray. The easy-to-clean removable drip tray adjusts to 3 different heights to accommodate cups of all sizes including travel mugs up to 7.2 tall. The coffee can be easily loaded into a travel mug or tall cup, more convenient and faster. The removable drip tray is dishwashable and easy to clean. 30-oz. Detachable water reservoir. This handy coffee maker has a 30-ounce reservoir that lets you brew multiple cups of coffee without having to constantly refill the tank and makes coffee in brew sizes from 6 to 14 ounces with the touch of a button. The Wirsh coffee maker also comes with auto-off function, which turn off the coffee machine 30 seconds after your last brew, helping to save energy. Compact and sleek design. This coffee machine is designed in a sleek black and stainless steel finish to go with virtually any kitchen or break room style. At less than 6 wide is the perfect size for saving counter space, which is very suitable for small places like room, office, hotel, apartment. You can click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.